Here are 6 reasons why people are choosing new construction inventory over resale inventory. Number 1, with a new construction home, everything is brand new and up to date with modern features and modern finishes. There's no need to worry about outdated appliances or fixtures. Customization options for number 2. Most new home constructions allow buyers to personalize their home to their liking, whether it be that extra bedroom instead of a formal dining area, or maybe a patio before moving in. So some builders, this can be done ahead of closing. Number 3, energy efficiency features. New construction inventory homes usually come with energy efficient features like double pane windows or spray-in insulation, and this actually serves 2 purposes. It saves money on utilities and has a positive impact on the environment by lessening our energy usage and consumption. Number 4, fewer repairs and maintenance. With new construction homes, there will be fewer major maintenance repairs in the early years of ownership, which means less stress, less money out of pocket, and more time to actually enjoy your new home. Which brings me to number 5, warranties. New construction inventory homes usually come with warranties included. Now, don't forget, you are the first person to work out the kinks in this newly built home, so if something does fail, thankfully, they've got you covered. And that's a big plus for people who want to avoid unexpected repair costs. Number 6, and currently most impactful reason for buyers to gravitate towards new construction is the builder incentives that they are offering right now. For buyers to use their in-house lenders, they get incentives, which means they're not subject to the typical interest rates that you may get from your bank or outside of the builder's lenders, and you'll likely be able to get a lower than market interest rate, closing cost credits, and down payment credits, which who does not want that right now? And as a realtor, I can tell you that new construction homes are a great investment for those looking to curb the interest rates and closing costs. It also provides a modern, energy efficient, and low maintenance home. So if you're interested in exploring new construction inventory homes in your area, do not go at it alone. Those reps in the office of the builders work for the builders and have their best interest in mind. Contact me, we'll find you the perfect home, and let me go to work for you to get you the best offers that they have. And if you found this content useful and want to stay informed, hit that like and follow button so we can stay connected through this journey together, and I'll talk to you soon.